We live in a world that changes and evolves with each passing day, and you have the opportunity to change it. At HTSI, we are experts in training the tourism professionals of the future. Get a leg up on the challenges and trends in the sector. You will design innovative tourism experiences. You will promote responsible tourism, and you'll become an expert in innovation and digital transformation. Lead the future of tourism and hospitality with HTSI's double bachelor's degree. Become an expert in the sector. Stand out, study at HTSI, learn from a strategic perspective, essential to driving change and working towards the future of a constantly growing sector. At HTSI, we guide you so you can be the protagonist. HTSI, School of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Sant Ignasi, Ramon Llull University.